What's up guys? Welcome back to Rumah Belajar AhundrEd. In this video, we're going to solve the question about polynomial. Is it how you find the unknown value of that function? Okay, so we have x cubed plus 2x squared plus 9x plus b has a factor is x minus 11. And leaves a remainder x minus 20 leaves a remainder of negative 52 when divided by x plus 2. Find the value of a and find the value of b. Find a and b. And for b, find the remainder when x cubed plus 2x squared plus 9x plus b is divided by x minus 2. So basically for option B, you need to answer A first and you can answer B. So without answer A, you cannot answer B. Because in B, we have unknown value A and B. Okay, so for A, remember when x minus 11, so for A, when x minus 11 is a vector of x cubed plus ax squared plus 9x plus b, it simply means that x minus 11 equals to 0, x equals to 11, and you put 11 in that function. So 11 cubed plus a times 11 squared plus 9 times 11 plus b equals to 0. And then 11 cube is 1331, and this is we have plus 121a plus 99 plus b equals to 0. Then we have 121a plus b equals to, that you can, you have 1430. So you move here, you will negative 1430. So this is the first equation. And the second one, when divided by x minus x plus 2, when divided by x plus 2, give remainder negative 52. So it simply means that when you substitute x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to negative 2, when you substitute negative 2 in that function here, you have equals to negative 52, like negative 2 cube plus 8 times negative 2 square plus 9 times negative 2 plus b equals to negative 52. It's give this remainder, right? So negative 2 cube, you have negative 8 plus negative 2 square is 4, so plus 4a and minus 9. 9 times 2 is 18, right? 9 minus 18 plus b equals to negative 52. And then here we have negative 26. So it means we have a plus, so 4a plus b equals to negative, or this is negative 52 plus 26, right? So 4a plus b equals to negative 26. This is the second equation. And then you eliminate a or b, right? So we have 1 to 1, a plus b equals to negative 1 430, and then 4a plus b equals to negative 26, right? It simply means that when a already when b already same, we just subtract, right? So b positive, we subtract, so we cancel b, right? So 21a minus 4, we have 117a equals to this, you add, you have negative 1404, right? Because 30 divided by 26, or is 8, right? Because this is negative. You add negative minus negative also, so becomes 8, right? Becomes negative 130 plus 26. So that this means here is negative 140. This is 0.4. Okay, so your A equals to negative 1404 divided by 117. So you have negative 12 for A. And for B, we take the second equation, the 2, and then it means 4A plus B equals to negative 26. 4A is 4 times 12, negative 12, right? Plus b equals to negative 26. B equals to negative 26. This is becomes negative. 4 here becomes positive 48. So b equals to 22. Boom. So our answer for question A, or the first question, is A equals to 12. So A equals to negative 12, and B equals to 22. Okay, so that's for question A. Now we try to answer B. So basically this equation you already got, right? Negative 12. So it means it becomes x cubed minus 12x squared plus 9x plus 22. Okay, so we divided by x minus 2. Okay, here we are going. I need to. I want to give you, there are two ways to answer that one. The first, you can use the Horner method. So we look at this. The first way, you can use Horner method. The second is you just substitution to find the remainder. Okay, we look at the Horner method. The Horner method, we have x cubed minus 12x squared, and then plus 9x plus 22, right? Okay, if you divide it by x, what is that? X minus 2. Yeah, x minus 2. X minus 2. Okay, for use the Horner method, you need to find x minus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to 2, right? Okay, when you have x equals to 2, means you put it in the Horner like this. Okay, so I put it here. Okay, you put it here. So this is the Horner method. You put 2 here, and the coefficient of x cubed is 1, coefficient of x squared is negative 2, negative 12, and the coefficient of x is 9, coefficient of x power 0 is 22. So remember, when you be careful with when you use the Horner method. Sometimes the equation like this: x cubed plus x minus 3. So remember that if you put it there in the coefficient of this is 1, right? X to the power of 3 is 1. But remember, what is x to the power of 2? So x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1, and x power 0. This is all called constanta. When x power 3 is, we don't put it, the equation is, not a field in the equation. The equation, it means you need to put you need to put 0 when x to the power of 2, and then this is x power 1 is 1, and this is x power 0 or constant is negative 3. So be careful with when you use the Horner method. Okay, this is just example. Now we look at this. Our coefficient of x cubed is 1, coefficient of x squared negative 2, negative 12, and coefficient of 9 x is 9, and coefficient our constanta is 22. And then this is 1, right? So you put it here 1, and you add, right? This is for here, you multiply. So 1 times 2 have 2, and then 12 plus negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10, and negative 10 times 2 is negative 20. 9 plus negative 20 is negative 11. Negative 11 times 2 is negative 22. And this is you have 0. So the remainder for that equation for b is 0. This is the first way you can use. And the second way, use substitution. How do you use substitution? This is you find first when x minus 2 equals to 0, our x equals to 2, right? After that, you just substitute 2 in that function. For example, we have 2, it means 2 cubed minus 12 times 2 square plus 9 times 2 plus 22. It means we have 8 minus 48 because 2 square is 4. 4 times 12 is 48, and then plus 11 and plus 22. So 8 plus 11, not 18. 18. 8 plus 18 plus 22, is it 48, right? So you subtract with 48, you have 0. So I give the same remainder, right? Reminder. Okay, you can choose one of that uh, ways to answer for B. Okay, that's all for question number 9. I hope you understand the all concept that I already give it to you, and see you in the next video. Thank you.